As we begin, I do want to let you know that some of the methods I discuss in this course will require a little bit of knowledge. Now, by that, I don't mean knowledge of ChatGPT or anything digital marketing related. I mean knowledge of just any field in general. So if you're knowledgeable about anything, then you'll be able to use ChatGPT along with these methods to make money. Now, that isn't the case with the first method, which is affiliate marketing. And I know you're rolling your eyes because everybody's told you about affiliate marketing, and usually it just doesn't work. And I wholeheartedly agree with that. I would have never recommended affiliate marketing to any freelancer prior to ChatGPT and how AI has changed the way it works. Because now, with affiliate marketing, you could have no knowledge about anything. You could be the stupidest person on planet Earth and still make a lot of money using affiliate marketing with no audience. And I know because I do that. I actually personally use this method, and believe me, I'm not going to tell you how much money I make, but let's just say I wake up with a big smile on my face every morning when I check how much money I made through Amazon affiliates using the method of affiliate marketing I'm going to tell you about here. So it's proven to work. I use it myself, and it requires no knowledge at all. The first step is you need to join the Amazon affiliate program. Now, what this program does is it allows you to basically become an affiliate marketer for any product on Amazon. So you just get a link, and you can put that link on anywhere on the internet. And if somebody buys the product through that link that you've posted, then you'll get a portion of the money from that sale. The next step is you need to use ChatGPT to generate a blog post or a video script, and I always recommend blog post here because it's much more efficient, because if you have a video script, then you have to record the video and edit it, and it takes a great deal of time. But if ChatGPT just generates a blog post, then you can just post that blog and then get started posting more blog posts. So I recommend using ChatGPT to generate a blog post, but if video is your thing, you could also use it to generate a video script about whatever you are thinking about being an affiliate for. So, for example, if you're looking to sell the tech products, then you could ask ChatGPT to generate a blog post about must-have tech gadgets in 2023. And when you generate this post, ChatGPT is going to mention some products in the post that it generates. And then you're going to be able to just go on Amazon, get the link for those products, and edit the article that ChatGPT has generated. So you're going to include the affiliate link for all of those products that ChatGPT mentioned is somewhere in the article that ChatGPT has generated. And I also recommend including a picture of the product, because that's going to make people much more likely to purchase it if they come across this content and decide to purchase it. And that's the end goal. You want people to purchase these products so you get a portion of the sale. And of course, if you choose to make a video, then the pictures aren't required. You could alternatively speak over a slideshow of pictures of the product and make that into the video. Or if the video is just, your face and you're talking about the products, then the picture isn't necessary. And if you're choosing to make a video, then you're going to want to put the affiliate link in the description of the video and put that video on YouTube, since that's the best place to search for videos. And, that's how you're going to get more people to view it, is by having it on YouTube as opposed to having it on your own site. And this goes true for blog posts also. Now, a great place to put blog posts, in case you didn't know, is medium.com. You can post there for free, and you could just post this article on Medium. Now, why I recommend using medium.com as opposed to your own website is the same reason why I recommend using YouTube as opposed to your own website, and that's because these websites, YouTube and Medium, are much more likely to appear highly in search results than your own website. So therefore, to get more eyes on the article or on the video, you want to put it on Medium or YouTube and not your own website. I know a lot of people out there say, just put it on your own website and it'll be fine. But in order to maximize results and get the most people to look at the article and end up purchasing some of the products mentioned in the article, then it should be on medium.com and the video should be on youtube.com. That way people can actually find it, because you're going to need to use a lot of SEO techniques to have these articles rank highly enough for people to find and for people to end up purchasing the products from. Now, everything I've told you so far is just basic affiliate marketing using ChatGPT, but step 6 is where I get into the secrets. Remember, I told you that you're going to make money using this method and that it's proven because I do it myself, and that's because of step 6. It's absolutely crucial, and that's because if you just follow steps 1 through 5, your page, your blog post, or video might rank highly, but it's unlikely that it will, so it's unlikely that a lot of people are going to end up viewing your page and or video and end up purchasing the products that you're trying to affiliate market for. But using step 6, I can guarantee you that your blog post or video will rank highly on Google or on YouTube or any other search engine. So step 6 is all about using SEO techniques to help the content that you produce rank highly on Google or YouTube or any other search engine. And before I get into exactly what step 6 is and what you need to do in step 6, I want to explain a little bit about SEO. So the way SEO is measured is largely based upon 2 aspects. The first of these aspects is domain authority. Now, domain authority is basically a number between 0 and 100, and it determines how well content from certain websites will rank on search engines such as Google. And for example, medium.com has a very high domain authority, most likely higher than, if you have your own blogging website, higher than your own blogging website's domain authority. So that's why I suggested posting on Medium, is because content from Medium generally ranks higher on search engines. Now, the second aspect of SEO I want to talk about is page authority. Now, page authority is the authority an individual web page, so such as an individual blog post posted on medium.com, has to rank highly on Google. So in other words, it's how Google will decide which web page to rank above others, even when those web pages come from the same domain or the same website. So page authority and domain authority, but particularly page authority, are very crucial with step 6 and how to use ChatGPT to boost your own page authority on websites that already have high domain authority to ensure that the content that you've produced is going to rank highly on Google. So the first part of step 6 is actually extremely simple. What you need to do is open up ChatGPT and ask it to generate an SEO-friendly title and meta description for the article or video that you've produced. So for example, with the earlier article I mentioned, must-have tech gadgets in 2023, I would open up ChatGPT and ask it to generate me an SEO-friendly title and meta description, and I would do this in 2 separate asks of ChatGPT, 2 separate requests. So the first request would be, ChatGPT, generate an SEO-friendly title for an article about must-have tech gadgets in 2023. And then it's going to generate me an article based upon its own keyword research that's likely going to rank highly on Google because ChatGPT has, pretty good knowledge of keywords. So it's going to be able to use that knowledge to generate a title that's going to rank highly on Google for this article. And after I get my SEO-friendly title for the article, I would then ask it to generate an SEO-friendly meta description for the article. So it's already given me the article title. So I would ask it, ChatGPT, please generate me an SEO-friendly meta description for, and then I would use the title of the article that ChatGPT suggested, the SEO-friendly title. And then I would get a good meta description that's also going to allow the content to rank highly on Google because ChatGPT has a very good knowledge of SEO and keywords and meta descriptions. So it's going to generate the title and the meta description for me, and therefore I don't have to do keyword research, and I don't have to do research about which effective keywords I should be putting in my meta description because ChatGPT already did that for me. So this way, I'm able to generate a lot of content and a lot of articles quickly and have those articles and that content all rank well on Google. So at this point, what we have is one piece of content, one blog post or one video that's on a website with a high domain authority that has, an SEO-friendly title and SEO-friendly meta description. So it's probably going to rank okay on Google. But we need to ensure that it's going to rank very well on Google so we can get many people looking at it and interacting with it and hopefully purchase the products that we're trying to affiliate market for. Now, this is where page authority comes in, because although, the blog post, let's say it's a blog post on medium.com, it has high domain authority, so it's going to rank okay, but we also need it to have high page authority. And another aspect of SEO that I need to discuss is backlinks or link building. Now, link building is when you have a web page that has many different links leading towards it, because Google will rank web pages higher if there are many links from other websites or other web pages which lead towards that page, because that's one of the key metrics that Google uses to determine its rankings. So ideally, you want to have many web pages with links which are leading towards the web page where you've created this article that has, the affiliate marketing links, because you want that article to rank highly above all other web pages, even on the same domain, and you want it appearing in as many Google searches as possible. So what you're going to do is use ChatGPT to generate additional content, additional blog posts, and you're going to have that content be about the same topic as whatever the article where you were trying to sell something is. So for example, when I have the article Must-Have Tech Gadgets in 2023, I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate additional articles about tech gadgets, or, modern tech gadgets or tech gadgets you may want to buy, etc. So I'm going to have it generate additional articles about the same topic. And then in those articles, I'm going to edit them to include a link to this main article with the affiliate marketing links. And then I'll have a lot of links from other articles leading towards the article with the affiliate marketing links, therefore boosting the page authority of the article with the affiliate marketing links, which is the one that I actually want people to see, because that's the one that people are going to end up purchasing from. And that's the article that's going to end up giving me my affiliate marketing money. So just to drive this point home, I'll give a full example. So once I generate the article Must-Have Tech Gadgets in 2023, and I go through steps 1 through 5, and I get to step 6, and I generate the SEO-friendly title and meta description for it, I now have the article done. So I'm going to create other articles. Let's say, for example, tech gadgets that are on the rise in 2023, or popular tech gadgets. And I generate articles, using ChatGPT. I ask it to generate me articles about those topics. And then I publish those articles, and I just add in those articles, something interesting that's going to link back, because you don't really want to, just put the direct link in. It's not very good for SEO. So for example, I'd maybe add a sentence that says, and if you're looking for absolute must-have tech gadgets in 2023, click here. And then that would be the link that leads back to the main article. So I would generate those other articles and make sure to include the link back to the main article. And in doing that, I would in total probably want to generate, 50 to 100 articles about the same topic. I'll have them linking back to the main article that I actually want people to see, that I want to appear first in the search engines. And that way, I've generated many articles now which are leading back to the main article. So the page authority is going to be very high of the main article, as well as the domain authority, since it would be published on medium.com. Therefore, it's going to rank highly. A lot of people are going to see it, they're going to interact with it, and they're going to click the links. And this took no knowledge of anything whatsoever doing this method. All you're using is, you're using ChatGPT to generate everything for you, basically, and it's just copy-paste from ChatGPT into articles that you want to publish. So it takes no knowledge of anything, and again, you will make money. This is proven. I do this, and if you do it enough, you're going to end up making a lot of money. Now, a lot of people have talked about using ChatGPT for affiliate marketing, But they aren't talking about step 6, which is the absolutely most crucial step, because affiliate marketing is going to become a lot more competitive due to the invention of ChatGPT. But not a lot of people have mastered step 6. So if you're good at this and you master how to do step 6, which is actually a very simple thing to do, it doesn't take much knowledge of anything, of any fields of, any industry or whatever. It takes no knowledge of anything. So if you get good at implementing step 6, then although affiliate marketing is becoming more competitive, you'll be able to blow out the competition. So that's the first way to make money using ChatGPT that I wanted to share my knowledge and secrets with you about. So now let's move on to discussing my knowledge about using ChatGPT to make money by the method of content creation.